Hello everyone and welcome to Dr. Shaurav's classes. Look at this question. This is a classic from the Stanford IQ test. Now what is this examination? It's a digital platform that companies use to see if your brain is a high-speed processor or an old Windows 95 desktop. So basically it tests your cognitive ability. Okay. So let's come to the question. A man walks 3 miles north, then turns right and walks 4 miles, and he then turns right again and walks 6 miles. In which direction is he now from the starting point? There are 4 options. Option number A says southeast, B says northeast, C says southwest, and option number D says northwest. Okay. Now this is a classic reasoning question of distances. Now before we move a single inch, we need the directions, right? Now here is a NESW law. Clockwise, your friend, like north, east, south, west, and then the right turn rule. If you are facing north, then right turn is east. Okay, but if you are facing south, then a right turn is west. So it's all about the perspective of the people. Okay, so let's break down this man's journey. Let's call him Larry. Okay, so Larry walks 3 miles north. Right, simple. Larry is feeling good, smiling at the fresh air and thinking he's got life figured out. But he turns right. Since he was facing north, right means he is now facing east. So he walks 4 miles. Now 4 miles, he is now 4 miles away from the original path, right? So it's basically on a mission to find the snack. He turns right again. Now wait, he was facing east, so if you face east and turn right, you are now heading the south, and he walks 6 miles. Now use your brain. He went 3 miles north, but he just came 6 miles south. So that means he did not just go back to the start, he blew right past it by extra 3 miles. So where is Larry now? So let's look at the coordinates from the starting point, 0, 0. Okay, if I talk about the horizontal thing, then he is 4 miles to the east. And if I talk about the vertical one, then he went up 3 but down 6. So this is basically 3 minus 6, that is minus 3. So he is 3 miles to the south. Okay, and he is east of the start and south of the start, therefore he is in the southeast zone. So the answer is basically our option number A, southeast. Okay, so Larry is not just lost, he is mathematically lost. But you are exam ready. If you can track Larry, you can track a career. So if I talk about the Pythagoras connection over here, if the question asked how far is he from the start, we would use the Pythagoras theorem, that is a square plus b square equal to c square. Alright, and in this case 4 square plus 3 square will be 16 plus 9. So this is 25 and root 25 will be 5 miles. Okay. So this is all about I have to say for this particular question. This is a very nice question of directions and all. Okay, so we will be meet at the next session with a new question of the Stanford IQ test, and that will be very beneficial for you. We will be solving this kind of questions again and again and again, so that you can crack that examination. Okay, so see you in the next session. Bye bye.